Hello everyone, welcome to Labtech Engineering Company.
And thank you for joining us today. We're really excited to share with you something special, and we think you'll find this really interesting.
That's right. So, are you looking for a way to produce quality film tests in your lab, but it's something that's both cost efficient and compact?
I'm sure many of you know how challenging that can be. So let us introduce to you the Labtech Cast Film Extrusion Line Mark II.
This line delivers exceptional values, and we have decided to give you a good film qualities at an affordable price point.
What stands out about this system is its practical engineering. The modern compact design is optimized for user-friendly operation and seamless integration into existing laboratory setup.
Plus, we focus on the fast delivery times. This means you can get your equipment up and running quickly.
So now, let's take a closer look at the core configuration of the system. The line features a streamlined design consisting of two primary units engineered to operate in precise coordination.
That's right. This is for those interested in the efficient, straightforward engineering, with a system comprising the LCRX-300 Mark II single-screw extruder paired with the LCRX-300 Mark II cast film unit.
Let's begin with the extruder. Now I know some of you might be thinking about space constraints in your lab, and we've got you covered. We've given it a leaner, space-saving body with ease of use, but one thing we never compromise on is film quality.
I'm sure many of you are curious about the setup times. So Judy, could you explain how simple it is to attach the die?
Oh, you're going to love this. Thanks to our simple but robust C-clamp type flange, attaching the die is incredibly fast and secure. No complicated procedures that consume your valuable research time.
Now I know getting your processing condition just right is probably one of your biggest concerns. That's why the extruder features a precision temperature control with an efficient air cooling system and multiple heating zones.
And here's more. The entire system is managed through a compact, modern touchscreen interface that offers intuitive operation and real-time monitoring process. No need to juggle multiple control panels or complicated manual adjustments.
Once the homogenized material exits the extruder, it proceeds to the cast film die unit where the film formation process takes place.
The first thing you'll notice here is the frame, which is constructed from lightweight yet rigid steel. For those of you working in smaller labs, you'll appreciate that it's built to last but won't weigh you down with your setup.
Following that, the molten polymer is distributed through the coat hanger flat die, a critical design feature that ensures uniform material flow across the entire film width.
Film thickness is precisely controlled using an adjustable lift gap, and with 3 independently regulated temperature zones reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, you have complete control over the die condition.
The film is then formed on a 2-row stack with a 145mm width. The main cast roll features a precision temperature control capable of reaching up to 120 degrees C.
The roll stack can be configured in either a vertical or horizontal orientation during factory assembly, providing significant operational flexibility. This allows optimization of the process-based material properties, whether you're working with stiff polymers or more materials that are more fluid. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in your film result.
As the film continues down the lines, you get clean, perfect edges thanks to the built-in edge cutter. The waste streaming are neatly collected in the cassettes, so there is no mess and no waste scattering around your lab.
The 4 rows apply adjustable pressure to maintain consistent film tension, and they have an auto-retraction feature for safety that automatically withdraws the upper roll whenever the cover is open, protecting both operators and the equipment during maintenance and material changes.
Finally, an air expansion shaft with a simple PVC bobbins make the changing out of your finished roll incredible fast. No downtimes, no complicated procedures.
And just like the extruder, the entire unit is operated from a swingable touchscreen control panel, complete with security features to protect your valuable setting.
So, what does all of this mean for you in the lab? This extrusion line is ideally suited for several key applications. You can conduct lab-scale film testing to simulate and predict production behaviors. You can also develop innovation new film formulations with confidence, and you can evaluate material properties for critical film assurance.
It's a powerful, reliable, and repeatable system engineered to accelerate your research and development efforts and bring your innovations in tangible results.
All packed into a smart, compact, and budget-friendly system. This cast film unit is a part of our comprehensive Mark II line, which also features a high-performance tin-screw extruder and a blown film extrusion system.
And we are pleased to announce that we will be exhibiting the full Mark II product line at the upcoming K-Show 2025. This is your chance to see all these machines in action and gain direct, hands-on experience with the equipment.
That's right. We encourage everyone to visit us at K-Show, booth 71C37 in Hall 7, where you can directly interact with the machines, engage with our technical teams, and evaluate how this system can fit with your laboratory workflow. Then nothing's quite like seeing the quality and precision in person.
If you're interested or have any questions about how this line can benefit your work, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can email us directly at labtech@labtechengineering.com.
Thank you so much for watching.
And we look forward to seeing you at K-Show.